Phase 1 of installing a wood-burning stove. Who knows how this will end? Well, the carpet's out, and they're going to go up to there. Slowly but surely. Well, there's the encasement for it. We're considering coming all the way out, but I don't think so. This spot would be lost trying to cut through. You'd be tripping over it. So we're going to put a bookcase there, a mantle on it. The stove goes there. And this is the color. Top one is $14.95 a piece, and this one's only $3. So, all right. Okay, we had a change of plans from that preformed tile that looked like it was called Hearth. We had to go with something else because that was coming in from Texas. It would take 3 weeks to get here. We weren't told that. The tiler's coming in tomorrow morning at 8. So I ran up to a yard, and this is called cinnamon bark limestone. And you put it up piece by piece. It's cut on one side. It's going to be 3-dimensional. Should look fine. Same price though, $14 a square foot. And then we're going to use the tiles that they did manage to get in. So we went ahead and bought those. This is slate. Different colors. Should work out fine. Phase 2, beginning now. This is going to take a while. Well, there you go. This is like putting together a 10,000 piece wheat field puzzle. All right, this is the progression. I don't think I have enough stone to do it. You saw what was there on the pallet. This is what it's kind of going to look like. I'm going close. Like that. A whole different look than what we were planning, but lost our viewers. Well, we're running out of big pieces. This is day 1. It's as far as I got. Each piece has to be hammered and chiseled. We'll see what it looks like when it's done. I'll have to get more of this, so tomorrow I'll run down there at 7 o'clock in the morning. Well, second run up to the stone store, and this is all they had. I was able to cherry pick the last of it. Try to find square ones, and that's it. That's 12 square feet. $13 a foot. All right. Well, I took over the last 6 rows. I'm gonna try to finish it myself. That's what's left. That wall and then that wall. There it is. Now I know how the Berliners felt after the bombings during World War II, trying to build their cities back up. One brick at a time from the rubble. And that was just one rock. Anyway, onward. Alright, getting to the very last row. I'm running out of big bricks. They look big, but they don't match. Freehand. Well, down to the last stone, right there. Well, here we go. The final wall. And the beat goes on and on and on. Inch by inch, foot by foot. Slowly it climbs. There she is. That is the back wall where the pot belly or the wood burning stove is going to go in. Tomorrow is tile and then the stove. See ya. So I washed the bricks and then I had an idea about using Murphy oil. I used about, that what you see, filled it up with water. And then I washed down the bricks and I sprayed them. Look at that. This is just natural light. Check that out. Brick by brick, piece by piece, slowly we turn. And sometimes you make do with what materials you have and had. The stone came in first, the tiles came in second. They're special ordered. Kind of too blue, but we'll make do. Look at this, the bottom tiles. The storm is brewing. It's getting dark. It's moving across the country. It's intensifying. It's blowing out. Smooth blue skies ahead. Oh, here's a different angle. These aren't glued down yet, but this is the color. A little awkward. For every tile placed, there has to be at least 3 cuts, sometimes 2, but usually 3 for every piece of tile that's going into this thing. The 2 hardest materials to use: uncut stone and just non-conformity creates chaos. That's fixer-upper. Go ahead. That's the ledge stone, and that is ledge stone. Showing them fixer-upper. Ah, coincidence. Ever so close. Oh, this thing is a beast. That's gonna go over there. Oh, we could have gotten one much smaller. But there it is nonetheless. Oh, there she is. There's the venting. That will go right up there. There's backslash. The mantle will wrap around here. There's the hearth. That should shine up real nice. And there's the flooring in front. Well, installation has begun in earnest. Ventilation. The outside chimney. Well, there's a new chimney. Looks like a steamship, right? Doot doot. My big stash of wood. Huge, huh? As you can see. They're hard to start, though. Oh, yeah. Chuga waka chuga, chuga waka chuga, chuga waka chuga waka chuga waka chuga. All right, so there's our beam. They're putting the mantle in. We got problems. It's about 1.5 inches too short, but I said make it work, Scotty. We'll be back. So that's been cut down to 6 feet. That'll go on the back wall. And the remainder will come down this wall. These will be on the sides. There's the remaining piece. Trying to figure out what kind of wood this is. Oh, now that's a cord of wood, huh? Now we're getting serious. Holy shit. Yep. Couple pieces of plywood here too. See, I was thinking all that eventually gets piped right out there through that little hole in the roof. Combustion, baby, combustion. Well, there you go, huh? It needs one more touch and I'll be done. Be right back. There you go, a little staging to make the season Yule tide. It is Christmas. Our stockings are being hung by the new wood-burning stove. Evergreen. And that's it. That's the mantle. That's the backslash. I mean, there's tweaks that we have to make. Cinnamon bark ledgestone in the background. And the beams are redwood. The top beam, there was one 9-foot run of redwood heart. So we had to cut it right there and bring it down here for this wall. And these two pieces, those were my idea. Just to kind of square it off. And now we're ready for good old St. Nicholas. Well, thanks for watching. I know it's not an RV per se show, but it is something that a person who does RVing does when they aren't RVing. They're just picking up things and cleaning up things and doing things to pass the time until you can get back on the road with, yes, your RV. See you later. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Have a Merry Christmas, and we'll talk to you next time on The Lost RVers. Bye now.